Hello everyone, this is my bike check. First thing is the Fly Luna frame and Odyssey Twombolt cranks. Pretty much really good parts. Shadow Conspiracy rims, front and back both. Shadow Conspiracy Raptor hubs both. Sunday 2.1 forks, FSA pig headset, Shadow Conspiracy stem, and Odyssey Chase Hawk grips, Odyssey Senior 2 pivotal seat, Kink seat post, Animal ASMR kevlar tires, Shadow Conspiracy pegs, just regular chain, Odyssey JC PC pedals. They are very grippy, but they hurt. Stolen Tioga front tire, and that's about it. And this is our newest addition to our skate park. It's a big quarter pipe. And this is our skate park, homemade skate park.